Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on your Squarespace site. So if you have a store and you want to change the currency from USD to pounds, I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're here on my demo website, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to commerce. And then once I'm in commerce, it's a simple process, but you just go down to payments. And then from here, once you connect these tools as well, it'll say these are connected, but you'll go to store settings and the store currency, click here, and then you can make the adjustment to the currency. As you can see here, there are a ton of options. You could see from the Argentine peso, Australian dollar, Brazilian, Swiss franc. There's a lot of options. So I'm not going to go through all of them. Euro, but you got the British pound, Hong Kong dollar, awesome. A lot of European, Singapore, that's great. Swedish, Russian, Thai, US dollar, South African rand. Beautiful. So you have a ton of options here. You come here and make this change, and then it will affect your entire site. So I just changed it to the British pound. I will hit save, and then I will actually go into my shop and then go to new arrivals. And here you'll see that everything is just been changed to pounds. Before it was $40 and now it is 40 pounds. So it did not convert it to a special amount. This is also not a feature that is something that if I'm a customer and I'm in Germany, I am going to get the euro versus if I'm in London, I'm going to get the pound. This feature is site-wide across your entire site, one currency. There are probably extensions and other tools and other features or other ways you can do that. But in this case, you have just changed the currency for your entire site across the entire globe to one currency. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. So hit the like button. Next, if you're looking to beef up or boost or 10x your Squarespace website, check out the links below. We have a ton of resources for you. Plugins, downloadables, ebooks, blog posts, a ton of things for you. Finally, if you got value from today's video and you're looking for more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. I can't believe we're publishing 3 videos a week right now. It's a lot of content, but we are. We're publishing 3, maybe even 4 videos a week right now. So if you want more content like this, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.